Hi guys, I understand you probably might be asking if support and resistance still work, if normal technical analysis still works, right? Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you proof that private strategy works, especially pure price actions, right? And now before the advent of SMC, I might be wrong, or before the advent of ICT, what is being obtainable over time is what pure price action, which is technical analysis. And I'll be showing you some of the couple of trades that I was able to take this week that made us highly profitable in our academy. And this trade we're taking, we're just using pure price action, which is technical analysis. All right, should in case you me for the first time, my name is Gordon Trade. What I do, I come here weekly to document my journey with you and to also explain to you or show you how you too can also become successful trading the financial market. And to also buttress my point, I also do a little bit of ICT and smart money concept, but I'm more comfortable trading my technical analysis because I like to keep things very simple. So let's dive right in. Let me show you the chart. All right, now this particular trade now is SAUSD and it is gold. I sent it in my inner circle community and guys really make money out of it, right? This record is taking place on Friday, and you know what? The market, you know how the market behaves on Friday, right? Now, what type of strategy is this? It's just a break and a retest strategy. You can see the market broke out of a support, right? Broke below, right? Retested it here and what came down, and that was how we're able to get in, right? And this is on the 15-minute time frame, right? Now, even without even retesting actually properly well, if you scale down to 5 minutes or even 1 minute, you're going to see that a little bit of a retracement, right? And where you can easily get in. So the market is always giving you opportunity to come on board, to enter, you can see. And that's how we got in. Now, I'll also show you another trade that we took on GPP USD. And as I'm speaking to you right now, we just took out some profit. Now, this trade was called yesterday and today. We took this sell yesterday. We also took this one, and we're currently looking for a buy here right now. But today is Friday, the market is almost, winding to close. But right now, let me just show you what strategy is this, right? This is just market structure strategy using the trend line strategy, right? Now, the moment the market broke below this trend line, then we started looking for a sell opportunity. Now, mind you, the market has been buying from here, right? We saw a change of character. Price has been selling from here down here. The moment price got here, we start having a double bottom, right? This is like triple bottom, right? So price created a change of character here, which is the ICT we call it. Now, in technical analysis, you will see price had a higher high, which is higher than this lower high, right? Now we now start having higher high, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So we now started resuming an uptrend. So but getting here, what do we see? We saw price giving us a double top here. And in your technical analysis, wherever you see a double top, that means you should be looking for a sell opportunity. Now, what was our confluences here? Our confluences is that on the 1 hour time frame, we saw that we have a bearish engulfing candle, you can see. Right now, I was looking for a break below this bearish engulfing candle. Then we scale to 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame now, what do we have? Price broke below it. You can see, broke below it, came back to retest it, and give us a bearish engulfing candle. Right? In case you miss this entry, price came down, came back again into our entry, and gave us very strong bearish candle. So this is another strong confirmation. Then we rolled it down to this particular low here, and that was how we closed yesterday, being Thursday, with profit. Now today again, we came in here today, and price was on this 4 hour time frame here. What we're just looking for is reaction to the either to the upside or to the downside. Now on the 4 hour time frame here, price came here, right? Now I was thinking that the market will push back up, because if you look at this zone, it's a very strong demand zone. But the market didn't respond to this demand zone. It violated it. We came to 1 hour time frame. What happened? We had that the 1 hour candle broke below that zone, and that was how we were looking for a sell opportunity. And we saw a good opportunity to enter on this sell on the 15-minute time frame. And I called it out in my inner circle community. If you are not in this community, you're missing a lot in the market, right? This is the trade, right? And I called it out in the inner circle community. You can see guys really ate money today, right? It was where I gave them the signal here, right? I told them to sell GPP USD. We're just risking 20 pips, and what happened? Boom, the market gave us good profit. You can see. Then I told them to close, right? We had another setup again on GPP JPY, and that was just pure price action as well, not looking at either ICT or SMC. Mind you, those strategies also work, but if you are a technical analysis trader, why not stick to what you know and find a way to get better at it? Stop jumping from one strategy to another, right? Now this is another trade that I'm currently just in. Today is Friday. I might be leaving this trade over the weekend, because if you look at JPY in an higher time frame, it's in an overall bullish trend, right? So we took advantage of this sell. Why? Because we are having rejections from this particular zone. And if you understand demand and supply strategy, you notice that this is a very strong supply strategy. So I got here, I saw that the market was giving me weak rejections. Then what happened? I went to the 15-minute time frame to go and look for a bearish engulfing candle, right? Now what happened? After spotting this bearish engulfing candle, you can see that was why I called on for the what? For the sell, right? And I told them to sell. Boom. Let me show you that to you again. I told them to sell GJ, right? This is it. 30 pips. And what happened? The market hit our TP. Boom. You can see. Boom. Over 1 is to 2.4 reached to reward, right? And now price got to this support. What happened? I started seeing rejection, right? To the downside. So the sellers were feeling power, strength to break below this zone, right? And look at my stop loss. Very, very sitting pretty here, right? You can see price got here at first, it couldn't break below. The same time it got here, the same thing pushed up. Now what makes you feel that when price gets here, it won't push up again, right? The market is not, we are not controlling the outcome of the market, but we're just using the past information, past experience that happened in time past to predict the future occurrence. And that's technical analysis, right? The definition of technical analysis means that using what has occurred in time past. That's why if you're taking a trade, you need to learn to look your left hand side, so I can predict what may happen on the right hand side. And now we're on this buy right here, and we're hoping the price will get here. But today is Friday, the market is slowing down gradually, but our stop loss is sitting pretty here. If I can get 1:1 here, even before the market closes for today, I will be closing for today, right? Or I might just break even and allow my trade to run over the weekend. So whatever it is you're trading, pure price action, technical analysis, it works. You just need to stay in one place, modernize it, refine your strategy, and find the possible good entry. So guys, you've seen it. Pure price action works, right? All you need to do is just to learn how you can fine-tune it to your own strategy. Make sure you build a relationship on your strategy, and stop jumping from pillar to post. The market will always reward you. The market is not for only one person. It's not for only the ICT trader, neither is it for only the SMC trader. It's also for you. Whatever it is you're trading, make sure you find a way to get in and get out. By so doing, you start becoming profitable in the financial market. So if this is helpful, put it in the comment section below. Like this video, make sure you're following me, subscribe to this channel, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thank you.